for you, inshallah. But please understand, don't put all these burdens on yourself, by yourself. Wear the hijab and make dua to Allah. Oh Allah, I put this on for you. Oh Allah, this is by your quwwat and your khudrat, by your power that I put this on. Ya Allah, the one who wants to take it off, let him face your power. Make this dua. Let him face your power if he wants to take off my hijab. I put this on in your name. I make you witness that I put this hijab on to please you. The one who wants to take it off, let him face you. Let me see who takes it off. Allah will paralyze his hand. Allah will paralyze his tongue. Allah will take away his life. If he touches you even. Why are you so weak? Ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, remembering who you are asking. You are asking the Fatiru samawati wal ard, Khaliqu samawati wal ard, Raziqu samawati wal ard, Maliku samawati wal ard, Malikul arshil kareem, Rabbul arshil kareem, Malikul Haq. That is the one you are asking. Why are you afraid? Don't worry about your abilities. Don't worry about your power. Ask him in his name. Ask him with his power. He will give. If he can make a pregnant camel come out of a mountain for the dua of Saleh alayhi salam, he cannot make you keep hijab on your head even if the whole world turns against you. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Strengthen your iman. You don't worship a tree, you don't worship a stone. You worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Jalla Jalaluhu. Ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as it is his right to be asked. Oh Allah, give me because I am asking you. Give me because only you can give. Give me because I ask you and I don't ask anybody else. I have asked you and I will not ask anybody else. You are witness, I will not ask anybody else. You want to give me through somebody, that is your choice. I am not asking you to give me through anybody. I am asking you. You give me directly. I asked you directly. You told me to ask you directly. You said, Ud'uni. You said, ask me. You did not say, ask me through this one or that one. You said, Ud'uni, ask me. I asked you. Now give me because I asked you. Give me because I asked you in the way you told me to ask you. Edit out this horrible sound, huh? La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Build a connection with Allah, wallahi. Build a connection with Allah. Subhanallah. I mean, how poor can you get? How poor can you get? The one who does not worship Allah does not worship Allah. The one who does not know Allah does not know Allah. What about the ones who worship Allah but they don't know Allah? What about the ones who stand in Salah and they don't know Allah? They don't even know who they are asking. What about the ones who make dua and they don't even know who they are asking? How poor can you get? You cannot make salah. That is like saying, I have cancer but I cannot take the medicine. Then die. What is the answer? You cannot take the medicine. Why? Your lips are stapled. What do you mean you can't take the medicine? Salah is a tool. Salah is the weapon. Salah is the resource. Salah is the power. Salah is the connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You can't make salah. What do you mean you can't make salah? Ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and He will open the doors.